Day three, then we move on from that, and we've called day three uniqueness. Actually, so we've called day three uniqueness, and the focus here is positioning, proposition, and how to develop sort of scalable IP. So some quite foundational stuff, which is hugely important and often missed, often talked about, but often missed by agency owners, and quite foundational stuff. So that we before we then get into an important one that follows up, which is sales and marketing, of course. But day three really is about how we stand out in a crowded market. Um, Most agencies don't lack capability; they lack clarity. So this is why we sort of get lots of similar language, similar offers, similar positioning, broad positioning in our market. So we're going to use this day to start. Uh, we start by recognizing why differentiation matters and why it's harder than it looks. We're then going to clarify positioning in practical terms, what it really means, how clients actually interpret it, and have a session on stripping away some of the theory and focusing on what positioning actually does in the real world. From there, we're going to look at building compelling value proposition, and sort of how we articulate our value in client outcomes, not in the service lists or features um, that often agencies talk about and feature on agency websites, and then translate that expertise or what we've learned into sort of how we communicate a commercial advantage. So using positioning and proposition to create that leverage in our pipeline. So the outcome for this day is differentiation really. So it's developing a clearer position and value proposition. So you've got more clarity on that, and you also strengthen your confidence in pricing and your ability to manage more quality or to work with a more quality pipeline, and when to who to target, but also when to turn down opportunities, as tough as that sometimes might be, or might sound. When to make decisions whereby we're turning down people because they're just not the right fit for us.